अभी हम स्पाइस गार्डन की तरफ जा रहे हैं। ये भाई हमें बता रहे हैं कि स्पाइस गार्डन बहुत अच्छा है। हर्ब्स एंड स्पाइसेस, डिफरेंट हर्ब्स एंड स्पाइसेस देख सकते हैं, वहाँ पे टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, ले भी सकते हैं। तो हम उस तरफ जा रहे हैं, आपसे मिलते हैं वहाँ पहुँच के। We are here in Spice and Herbs Garden now, and his brother Abdul Rahman is taking us to explore the garden. There are so many herbs and spices here which we can see, taste and buy. Yes, Abdul Rahman, where you are taking us? You are taking us here.
The Sri Lankan people, they will say the Aibo one.
Yeah.
That means for the welcome.
Welcome. It means welcome. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum.
Come with me. I take over the garden. I show you what are the spices, what are the herbs. I show you the garden.
Yeah, sure. Please.
Come.
Oh, come on.
This one of the spice fruit one can look green color.
Yeah, green color. Yeah.
Big
The green.
tree.
Yeah, the green. Yes, the green color. What's that?
Yeah, that one of the spice one we call nutmeg. You know, so nutmeg.
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 Okay.
The inside come to two spices.
Okay.
Nutmeg, mace, and nutmeg. They grow all the time. Every 4 months we will collect fruit one.
Oh, okay.
What are we will take one? Orange one we take.
Orange one you take out.
Orange one we put the ripe one.
Okay. Like this one. क्या nutmeg क्या? क्या spice होती है?
Then the start come to a tiny flower, the bud flower. That bud flower is come to that one, nutmeg will grow.
Okay.
This one Sri Lanka Ayurveda, no sir, Ayurveda.
Ayurveda.
Ayurveda one of the medicinal plant. That plant we call for the Exora. Exora. We call Ratmal.
Ratmal.
People come the red flower, then we call Ratmal.
Okay.
The Ratmal have the 52 different herbs plant mixture. They make one of the oil. That oil Sri Lankan call for the red oil.
Red oil.
The people will take 10 drops oil, they mix with hand, they apply the bonds for the arthritis, rheumatism, Ayurveda, natural medicine for the Sri Lanka.
Okay.
Sri Lanka many healthy people come to the finger arthritis, rheumatism.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
take this oil. Take a 10 drops, just apply the bonds.
So you have this oil in your
Yes,
in your
I'll show
shop?
you the later shop. Now
Okay.
look the plant.
Okay, yeah.
Best medicine for the B12 calcium. The people take a 6 weeks, take every day. 6 weeks after all joints become to the bone.
Okay.
The
That's
good
good.
medicine for the bonds, for the arthritis. That nutmeg inside come from like this. Yeah,
What's this nest?
nutmeg.
Nutmeg. Oh, okay.
They come to orange one. You will take off on the skin. The inside will come like this.
Oh.
Yeah. The red one, we call the nutmeg mace. You will remove the mace like this. When dry,
It's both same.
Yes.
I was thinking they both are different.
they come to like this. When they remove the flowers, the flower dry the sun, dry, make a powder. You take a baking house, cakes, pudding, ice cream, caramel, take flavor, aroma.
Very nice.
Yeah. They remove the flower, you will they put hard shell, similar coconut shell. The people like this hammer, the shell.
Yeah. But nowadays they are saying it's not healthy.
Not too much use.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
take a little
It's-
bit.
yeah.
Too much take
They
the
are saying-
poisonous.
Yeah, it's
Poisonous.
very yeah. There is.
They remove the skin like this. They come to nutmeg seeds inside. Like
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Then it smells.
Get the poisonous.
Smell baby. This one they make powder and syrup.
Syrup. Yeah.
Syrup as well.
The syrup for the medicine for the drink with stomach pain, diarrhea,
Oh.
food allergic,
Okay.
or the vomiting, travel sickness. If
Yeah,
1
yeah.
teaspoon drinking, 20 minutes all food allergic stomach cleaning.
Okay.
Or the food allergic you take out poison.
Coconut.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's coconut we call ranthambili.
Okay.
Ranthambili, run meaning gold,
Yeah.
run coconut.
Okay.
This make oil. That oil is for the hair oil. So
Yeah.
like a ladies more use for the hair oil.
Yeah.
That for the green one. This one for the bigger one is for the cooking one. Another one come to orange one, yellow.
Yellow
For
one,
the
yeah.
drinking one.
Yellow one is the
King
drinking one.
coconut.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That
We
one
have.
Ranthambili, green coconut or the king coconut.
Oh, okay.
They come to tree.
Okay, these are the green peppers.
Not a tree. Not tree. For the
Black pepper.
creeper. No creeper.
Oh, tripper.
Creeper. We call vine.
It becomes this black, right? These are dry.
Yeah, it will grow twice a year. One season you will collect 5-6 kilo green pepper will take.
Okay.
The green pepper start come to like this coloring, green pepper,
Hmm.
green pepper.
Okay.
Then second stage red come to right, red one.
Second stage red, and then third stage the black.
Yeah. Then red one you will take the put warm water, little hard wash hand, remove the skin,
Okay.
dry is come to white pepper.
Very nice.
They come to white pepper, they remove the skin, come to white pepper.
Very fresh.
Yeah. You know, Europe people call Sri Lanka pepper king of the spice. King of the spice. Sri Lankan pepper black gold.
All are
Why Sri
pink
Lanka
pepper.
pepper 5 times
Whole
spicy?
tree.
Yeah, king of the spice. Sri Lanka too or the
Because
5.5.
nowadays all the spices they are coming from China and it's not good.
Not good. I beat man. When the people take a 10 drops, it direct the apply for the veins for the varicose.
Varicose vein.
Varicose veins, thrombo veins. You will take every day, we go to night, go to bed, apply down to upward little hard massage.
Mm-hmm.
4 weeks, take a full treatment every day. Then after good whole body for the blood circulation.
Okay.
Yeah, not surgery or the laser. Now take 1 cup welcome tea for the Sri Lanka herbal tea.
Which tea is this?
This one for the babies for the chocolate milk, cocoa milk.
Oh, okay.
This one for the herbal tea, spice tea.
Herbal spice tea.
5 spices,
Thank you very
black
much.
tea mixture.
Mustafa, Salva, come here. Mustafa, come here.
Chocolate milk peanut.
वो ले लो कोकोनट वाली चॉकलेट ले लो लो
Take
सलवा
the chocolate
सलवा
milk.
कम है
Try. Chocolate,
Have a try.
organic cocoa powder.
ट्राई
No hot. No sugar, vanilla.
Say bismillah.
वनीला
अभी कर देना तो.
इट्स गुड सलवा गुड मुस्तफा टेस्टी
Yeah, this for the cinnamon. Cinnamon, bark of the tree. Cinnamon come to 2 type, 2 variety cinnamon.
ओके
Cassia lauracea. Cassia grow for the India or the Indonesia.
ओके
That for the no qualities one.
ओके
The Ceylon cinnamon, lauracea, medicinal cinnamon.
लोरेसिया
The people take the branch. They come to long branch. You will cut the branch. You take a knife with shaving. The dark skin gone. The green bark meat remove. They dry the sun. The 2 side rolling. They come to cinnamon stick dark color. Like this for the dark color cinnamon
Oh.
stick. The cinnamon for the one you can take 250 gram cinnamon or the 1.5 milligram come to the insulin.
Oh yeah,
cinnamon.
that's why. Yeah, it's very nice. I heard about
You
this.
can smell ma'am the cinnamon come to very sweet.
So we can eat this one.
Yes, eat. Eat also better. Come to sweet.
Taste kar
Eat. They make one of the medicine and sugar, diabetic
Yeah, yeah.
tablet.
I heard this is good for.
Yeah, and cholesterol. 7-8 meter grow this tree.
Curry
Only we
patta.
take the leaves, dry. When dry, take a green curry. Then green curry are the 5 spices mix make masala.
या दिस इज ग्रीन
Yeah, this one Sri Lankan people call the pandan plant. Pandan leaves. Big plant. One leaves come to 1 meter long. You see, Sri Lankan people take aroma rice, aroma curry, meat curry, fish curry, come to flavor aroma.
ओके
Rice curry kill the bacterial and flavor. Out of season. The season August come to 2 flavor, 1 plant, come to 2 flavor female, male. The people we take 2 flavor fungus, the 2 flavor manual pollinate.
Yeah.
Then male flower dry, female flower grow vanilla pots. We call queen of the spice, orchid family. 1 female flower come to 7-8 vanilla pots. Or the 45 days, 6 weeks after 1 vanilla pot come to 16-17 inch. It come to like this small one.
मिनी पाइनएप्पल
Yeah. 6 months, 6 weeks after we come to red, ripe one.
हां बट द साइज gets
Sizes,
bigger
yeah, like this, under 20 gram, maximum 130 gram.
And what are the benefit of this one?
Yes, ma'am. You take a red pepper dry, make it powder. asparagus, lemon, garlic, eramusu, atavariya, bee honey, and pranajiva. Like this herbs mixture, make one of the tablet.
Tablet for
Red pineapple tablet. We take up the fat burn, detox.
Fat bar.
detox. Okay.
Yeah. After breakfast 2 tablet, after dinner 2 tablet. Day 4 tablet. We take a 1 month detox. 6 weeks full treatment. 5-6 kilo.
Oh.
Unnecessary water, unnecessary fat calorie, fatty liver. Then whole clean detox and fat oil.
It means we have to shift to Sri Lanka, right?
Yes.
To be fit, right?
Yes. Then my age for the 48.
48.
48.
Mashallah.
Yeah.
But you doesn't look like
Every day I'm used for the organic things.
organic things, huh?
Organic things.
So you have cholesterol or diabetes or this
No,
kind of?
nothing.
I'm not any my lifetime not any tablets.
Because if you need anything, you can just come to your garden and just take anything and just eat.
Organics for the seeds or the roots. We will take the medicines.
क्या बात है?
My grandfather Abdul Muhammad, he will Sri Lanka, our village for the herbalist.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
My generation to generation will come to
So you know each and everything, all the things, na? All tips and techniques.
You are working here only or this is your
No, I'm work only. Here holiday. Bamboo family. This plant we call ginger.
Ginger.
The roots grow for the under soil. The roots come to plant.
Okay.
6 months come to 1 meter. 6 months after plant dry. One plant it will take 350 gram roots.
Okay.
The roots come to like this very tiny roots. Many people they buy the Chinese ginger we call ginseng.
Ginseng.
Ginseng come to very big fruits the markets. They put the ginseng come to China. The big plant, one plant come to 3-4 kilo the roots. This one not ginseng.
But that one is not healthy.
That ginseng not healthy.
Yeah,
This one remember the tiny roots can look. The dry. You take a powder can little smell madam very strong. They're good for the ammonium for the stomach. Ginger. This Ayurveda make 2 medicines, syrup and jam. The jam people take the bones for the osteoporosis. The syrup for the drink for the again cough syrup, dry cough, bronchitis.
Bronchitis, yeah.
Sri Lanka very popular. This Ayurveda one of the herbal medicine. This one of the cream. That cream they come to put the haldi. No madam?
Okay.
Turmeric.
Turmeric, right?
They come to like these roots, yeah, the orange one.
Turmeric.
We will take 60% turmeric oil and 10% cactus oil, 10% jackfruit milk, 10% sandalwood oil, 10% aloe vera.
Okay.
The mixture, they make the cream. That cream you take a little bit the fingers, the drake apply for the under the arms, beginning leg, then natural hair remover cream. Yeah, this cream people take 3 application for the month, once a 10 days. After no more hair, 2 years.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah. This one
For 2 years.
2 years.
Okay.
You will take a 3 application. Once
Just
a
10 days, 10 days, and 10 days.
This is
Just
true or?
just
Yeah,
3 times.
guarantees. The Sri Lanka Buddhist monk then used for the head and bodies.
It will come after 2 years.
You can apply on her because she has so much.
ये क्रीम लगा रहे हैं और ये कह रहे हैं कि इसको लगाने के बाद जो है हेयर्स जो है वो रिमूव हो जाते हैं 10 डेज पे अगर आप 3 टाइम लगाएं हेयर्स रिमूव हो जाते हैं और फिर 2 इयर्स के बाद आते हैं आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम है 3-4 चीज़ों से मिलके बनती है
You know, madam, many
मेरे लगा के दिखाया
Hindu people,
Try can be.
turmeric bathing. The turmeric apply the face. The pandan use. Yeah? People show the pandan. This one Sri Lanka come for the papaya. This one of the savasaf fruit. We call anoda. Yeah, that for the coffee beans, arabica. That for the cooking banana, the plant and banana. That's tree for the 121 years old for the nutmeg tree.
this one 121 years wow nutmeg tree 121 years old
This is one of the cosmetic for the aloe vera. We call wild queen. Wild queen. If we take the aloe vera, the leaves, the often the skin inside of the gel. The gel that people take anti-shopting.
Antiseptic.
Yeah. If we take the gel, that 1 glass warm water, blend it the morning, empty stomach for the drinking better. They're good for the gastritis, heartburn, stomach burn. For the people drink for the gastritis people. If we take the aloe vera gel, green avocado paste, and king coconut oil, sandalwood oil mixture, they make sandalwood aloe vera cream. The people take for the sunburn. Cardamom, it will come the roots, the outer roots, outer bottom.
Okay.
The roots come to 3 meter, you will get grow the roots.
3 meter.
Yeah, the more go for the mountain side, the
Okay.
cardamom. One roots, you will take a 200, 250 gram of cardamom, you will take seeds. Yeah. That come to flower, orchid flower, cardamom. The flower come to cardamom seeds. You will take a cardamom oil, cardamom flavor, cardamom seeds. The many people the cardamom powder home drink coffee, black tea will drink.
Yeah, yeah,
They use little at the cardamom. No burning, no side effect. It is gone.
Yeah.
It is gone. Use for the very easy.
Yeah,
Man.
yeah.
So hot. Literally, how?
Good.
Can look here very smooth, very
Smooth.
shining,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
the skin come to very soft.
Very soft.
Yeah. Family. Yeah.
So now this is the shop for this
You can
spices
take a
and
family.
herbs. यहाँ पर जितनी भी इन्होंने सारी स्पाइसेस और हर्ब्स दिखाई हैं इनकी आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन क्रीम्स ऑयल्स सारी चीज़ें यहाँ
Yes,
पर
no more there. Yeah.
सेल करते हैं ये लोग।
You take a family.
हर तरह की आयुर्वेदिक हर्बल मेडिसिन्स ऑयल्स क्रीम्स
You can pay Visa, Master, any kind of currency.